Good morning, Happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve today, oh god, and we're going fishing. But I'm just defrosting the van, we're going in the van today. Hey, you'll have a look. So we've had what I would say would be the first frost, really proper frost anyway. It's 10:10, New Year's Eve 2025. So we're going to go just for a comfortable fish, probably just Seaton. I'll show you when we get there. I'm taking Scuba Ste with me again. He's got plans, so we can only go for a few hours. And high tide is, I think it's 25 to 1 this afternoon. So yeah, probably fish it up for a couple of hours and see what happens. Stay safe. Right, good morning again. I've got Scuba Ste with me. There he is, look at him. So it's our last day of 2025 to try and catch a cod. I haven't caught a cod this year, not all. So we're going to try a new venue, you'll be pleased to know. I bet you're sick to see a Middleton Pier. Like I mentioned a little bit earlier, it's just going to be a little comfortable one today. It is New Year's Eve. Steve's got somewhere to go a bit later. You never know, I might even go somewhere, I'm not sure yet. Right, I'll bring you back when we get there. I am myself, Steve.
Brazilian girl on a flight so high, chasing waves under Australian sky. Books in her hand, but laughter's her guide. She found paradise on the ocean tide. Kangaroos hopping while she walks the sand. From Copacabana to the sunny land, learning how to live with a heart so free. Dance.
It's a nice sunny day, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah.
Tell you what, as well, what?
Sun's behind us.
Oh, yeah. It's been a long time since I've been fishing through the day.
Oh yeah, good. But I feel it's weird.
Gotta slow down. So we're just entering Seaton Carew, for them people who know where it is. We're just going to go through it. And there's a little car park. I just want to have a look, see how much water's in. And we might just do some comfortable fishing from there. Huh?
Get right next to sea there.
The one up here.
Oh yeah.
Scuba Ste's just trying to give me some fishing advice.
It wasn't fishing advice.
It was.
It was sea advice.
Sea advice. Well, he is Scuba Ste, so who's better to know about the sea than him? Right, it's just up here. Right, I'll bring you back when we get set up and whatnot. We're just coming up to the mark what I'm hoping to fish. It's just over there, on the left, on the right, sorry. It looks fairly busy actually, the car park. Plenty of spaces. So we'll get in there and we'll have a look. I did want to just get over there where maybe that white car is. I don't know if you can see the sea yet, but it looks a bit lumpy, a bit tasty. So I'll can't get in between that white car and the blue car, Steve. Yeah. I can't get on the end because that's a disabled part. Right, we're in anyway, so have you got enough room outside, yeah?
Yeah.
So the sea looks a bit lively, doesn't it, really? Well, we'll get out and have a look. What do you think, Scuba Ste? Go on. I don't know what it is down there. You on about that ledge thing?
Yeah.
With the black box?
I think it's just further back.
You won't get caught on these. Well, you will when you bring it in. So this is what I mean about comfortable fishing. There's the van. Never fished here before. You got some toilet blocks there, which are always handy when you're away from home. Get you out of the sun. So he's checking it out. He's a bit worried about the rocks, but I don't know. It's still a couple of hours, well, what, an hour and a half or something till high water. Right, I'll bring you back. So we're just doing a recce of this little platform here, but you ain't gonna get on there at all. But sometimes Scuba Ste doesn't listen to the professional. Only joking. You break your ankles going over these rocks. You got to get all your equipment. I say no, to be honest with you. So that's where we normally fish, right over there.
I think
That's Middleton. Yeah, I don't know what it is really. Yeah, but I'm not standing on there, Scuba Ste. Not today and there. Not any day. Scuba Ste getting set up. I'm just about to get mine out, get set up. It's quite busy. A lot of people out walking. That's what it looks like down that way. Just got the van down there. Sea's quite good. Might be a bit difficult to wall bottom like, but it's coming in. So I'm going to get set up and I will bring you back. Right, I'm finally set up. Scuba Ste's down there. He's been in once. I'll just try and get you a bit closer. Scuba Ste's down there. Like I said, he's been in once. He's had a bite, but whatever it was, took all of his bait. So let's have a look. So I'm just fishing the one up with a big piece of mackerel on at the moment. Just going to see if it's out and about. I've never fished this place before, so we'll see. I'm back with my Ron Thompson and my surf glass 8000 reel. Just a one up. £80 braid all the way through. What is it? And I think I've got £60 amnesia trait and £40 go flow big body, something like that, or it might be the opposite way around. Anyway, I'm going to try and get this in, so hopefully you're in a good position where you might actually see me cast today. I'll bring you back, I'll get cast in.
I'm gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay. Gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay. I'm gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay. Water's calm, the sun's in the sky. Got my old rod and a twinkle in my eye. Hooks tied tight, the bait's all set. A perfect day I'll never forget. It's fishing season, let's cast away, reeling in memories, day by day. The line sings sweet with every fight. Fishing season feels so right. Wading through the current, boots up high. Caught the biggest smile as the hours fly. Bait and tackle dancing in my hand. Lost in a rhythm I understand. It's fishing season, let's cast away, reeling in memories, day by day. The line sings sweet.
This looks like a box really. Let's move you back a bit. Right, we're in. So, see what happens. New venue, which will well, I'll tell you about what next year. That's Scuba Ste. My run should take to get me out, but that's only we're all looking forward to the next few years. It's a nice one for you, know. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I do it as a hobby. I enjoy it. And I enjoy it. Like I mentioned in the other videos, interacting with people, mostly from all over the world. So you might get some fun. I get a nice thing. Year's Eve. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I tend not to bother these days. Get too old for it. I haven't been invited, but we'll see. I can't do the hangovers the next day. That's what my problem is. I'm not back at work till the 5th. Yeah, but couldn't nurse me hangover for a couple of days. I'm in my mind up a bit very much. I don't know if I didn't mention that thinking what I said. Last chance for the cod. Well, 2025. I can't say that. But you never know. Everything that not today. Well, just happy with anything really. Yeah, but maybe Scuba Ste wants to get out. I've been there for a bit of a couple. Not going to bore you with that. Right, hopefully bring you back with the fish. So that for any beginners sea fishing, that's natural to see you rod do that when you're in the surf. And I've just said to Scuba Ste, because he's down there, look, I'll show you. He's down there, down the steps. I've just said to him, you better start coming up them steps because the tide's coming in. You'll end up getting wet. 2 minutes ago, he just said to me, started laughing. I said, what's the matter with you? He said, I've just got soaked. So, people, sometimes you can't help people, can you? They just don't listen to you. But this has been in about 25 minutes now. So I might reel it in. It was basically a tester. I'll reel it in and I'll see if I've got out left or if there's out on it. It is going to be difficult fishing in this to the definite on bites. You never know. Right, I'll reel this in.
I'm gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay. I'm gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay.
First cast, everything's still attacked by rubber. Put out. Then rebraided. Can be on it if you want, or yeah. So
anytime you need someone to help,
tell me, mate.
I hope you get some good luck fishing.
Oh, thanks, mate.
So, if you want to play Minecraft, you can on.
Oh, Minecraft. I've grew up with Minecraft. Me two boys. Freddie's 11 now. He's come out of Minecraft. He's more into the football. Yeah. But little Lucas still does it.
I'm 13 to 4-year-old.
Yeah. I wouldn't have a clue. I used to be a bit of a gamer.
Honestly, that's
way back, yeah.
Well, we're going to go and get some tea in a bit, and we're going to go out with friends.
Yeah.
Get some toys.
Oh, well, nice to meet you, mate, yeah. I really do, right? The sincerity in my heart, right? I hope you all have the best year next year, yeah?
Yeah, what do you say?
And you get fishing, buddy.
Yeah.
Right? And
YouTube
I was going to say, yeah, when you do, start a YouTube channel up and I'll subscribe. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Arthur. So, how nice is that to meet such a lovely little family like that? The young one's interested in taking on sea fishing. That little Arthur, I hope he does. Evelyn's got her own little YouTube channel. So subscribe to that one. Excuse me. Just see, this is what fishing's all about. And just when you think like things are getting you down, the world's changing, evil's coming in, this, that and the other, you get moments like that and you just reinstates happiness in humanity. So good luck to that family. I hope you have a lovely, lovely year. So while you've got that fish back on, I've just put a new bait on. So it's one of them Cornwall crabs and mackerel piggybacking it. So I'm going to get this cast in, hopefully catch them in. Oh, I'm going to go down the steps, cast in, and I'll bring you back. Scuba Ste's making his way back up the steps. I've just been talking to him. He's got a bird's nest. I just don't know how many times I've told him to get a fixed for a reel. It will save him getting bird's nests really with his multiplier reel. I was hoping Santa Claus might have brought him one. If I'd have known, I'm going to sort everything out here. If I'd have known, I might have even been kind and got him one. But you just, sometimes you just can't tell people, especially Scuba Ste. So I got my second cast in, it's still out. I put that Cornwall crab on and piggybacked it with some mackerel. It's high tide now. Let's have a look at the charts. Oh yeah, 10 to 1. So high tide was about 22. I'd like to catch a fish, but it's not all about that, as you know. It's nice to be out. Like I say, we've met that little family there. I've just rescued the little dog. Dog got away off the lead, came to visit me. So I got that for the owner. Well, you know, it's turned out to be a good day. But this is where we're fishing. My little van's down there. £2 for 4 hours, so that's not bad, is it? I mean, look at this. It's absolutely brilliant, isn't it? We'll go and see Steve, see what's happening with him. Have you got it out? Let's show the people, look at that.
That's what you get. It's a water.
That's what you get when you Scuba Ste. I think I've got a spare multiplier in my bag if you don't get it out. Anyway, the offer was there, so see what happens. Hopefully he'll get it out. Rod tip's a little bit quieter now because, as you can see, with more water in, the surf's calmed down a little bit. I mean, you've still got it going like that when waves come in. But it's just a day out, really. Well, a few hours out. comfort fishing. Just to get all the drink from New Year, from Christmas Eve and Christmas Day and God knows what. Right, I'm waffling, I'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm just going to help Steve out. It's just a very, very old reel. I don't even know if it's any good. It's a spider project or something. He can't get his bird's nest out, so it'll keep him fishing for a bit. I think it's got a level, it's got a level wind on this reel, so hopefully he won't get a bird's nest. We'll see what happens. There you go. No worries, mate. I don't know. I've had that about 25, yeah? We'll see. Ah? Oh, yeah. Nearly in Norway. Oh. So, man's been out, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes maybe, with that crab on. I'm going to have a cup of cocoa. Huh? I don't know. Normally I say coffee, but I put cocoa in for the convenience today. Or hot chocolate, whatever you want to call it. So I think I'll have this. And then when I finish this, I'll take a look at that bait, I'll bring it in. But it's a cracking day. It's a cracking day. Normally I'm whinging, Anna, about the wind. Just put that down there. So cheers. Oh yeah, it's still red hot. Oh, hang on. Is that the surf or? Yeah, we'll put it in the bag and we'll take it home. I'll put it in your pocket. We're good fishermen, we don't leave rubbish about. Sometimes you still got to educate them, like. You'll be better off sorting out when you get home. Right, I'll bring you back if anything develops. So, I've just brought this one in. It's been out about 25 minutes and you can see, look, hasn't been touched. Surf's just bringing us into the rocks, so I've asked Scuba Ste if he wants to go somewhere else. So we're going to try a different venue, shall we say. Surprise, surprise. I'll bring you back when we get there.
Compared to my castle, I know you been, I was like over in the country, but
I wasn't there though. I wasn't even getting past the surf.
I don't think you could. I think it was just too sensitive, aren't they?
One of the one of the sensors has gone in. I need to get it back out. Right, off to a new venue. But where are we going? Where should we go, Scuba Steve?
I think we should go. Middleton, isn't it?
Well, we've only got about another hour, so
Let's go somewhere close, won't we?
why don't you put an indicator on slower? I don't know where you're going. Right. State's called at Middleton for an hour. But I always said that I was going to take you there in the daylight, so we'll bring you back when we set up on Middleton.
Feet moving ground, hearts on fire. We got the will, we got desire. Hands in the air, voices loud. Feel the rhythm, join the crowd. Shout it out, we're unstoppable. Shout it out, we're unbreakable. Say it proud, we're unshakable. Shout it out, we are invincible. Shout it out, we're unstoppable. Shout it out, we're unbreakable. Say it proud, we're unshakable. Shout it out, we are invincible. Daylight rising, hope ignites. Dreams like fireflies in the night. Dancing tonight under the lights, full of passion, full of might. Shout it out, we're unstoppable. Shout it out, we're unbreakable. Say it proud, we're unshakable. Shout it out, we are invincible.
Well, welcome back to a sunny Middleton Pier. You only see it in the dark with me, but we've come on it yet again, I know. But this is what it looks like in the daylight. Like I've said to you before, it's very safe, especially if you're bringing young kids. It's got a high wall. Scuba Ste setting up. Got quite a few on the end of it. They've been catching mighty. This is the harbour entrance on the daylight. Hartlepool Marina. So, you're thinking, alright, I have to get a better ass, it keeps riding up. So, I'm ready to cast in. You what, mate? So, it's on the tap, innit? Scuba Ste. Elastic. I don't mind. He's a good lad. So, I'll spin you around. So, I've just put some joy mackerel on. I'll sort the lid out, get it ready to go in. Sea's a lot calmer here, so I'm just going to get prepared and cast in, see what happens. I'm just letting it sink to the bottom a little bit.
Just picked up now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Straight when it picked up.
Sea's on about the wind. I'm trying not to say anything about the wind. If you're looking sick at me here, you're talking about the wind. Right, folks, we're in. Hey, get in there. Might catch it right here for you. Fish is a fish, isn't it? We'll save the blank. Hopefully steel catch as well. Let's tighten that up. I'm back out with my 6-0 with that big bit of joy mackerel on. Still the same rod, the Ron Thompson, same reel, Pen Surf Master, same rig. See what happens, yeah? I tell you what, it's not often you can come fishing with sunglasses on, is it? Is that microphone in or what? Let me check. Well, don't know how much you heard of that because the microphone slipped out a little bit. Hopefully you got some of it. How was that reel I lent you? Alright? Yeah. So Steve's fishing with that reel that I've bought him. Like I say, I've never used it. I got it about 20 odd years ago. Aye? What for? Oh, right. Right, so Scuba Steve's got some WD-40 in his car. But he said he casts out with it alright, so he's fishing, that's the main thing. So I might be able to spray my joints with some WD-40. Might be able to move a bit better. Especially my back. Oh, he's whinging again. I'm whinging again. I'll bring you back. So Scuba Ste thinks he was into a bite there. Give it a bit develop there. See if it comes back. Trawler fishing, trawler boat coming in now. How much fish there, but how long it's been out? Some of them guys are out for a full week, aren't they? Maybe it's a bit more. Come back, Steve. Look at that. Nice. Hang on, just once. What? It did what, Steve? Oh, yeah. Good luck with that. There's a little breeze. I'm not going to go on about it. But nothing to be whinging about. Definitely see a bite if you get one, like. Theory chemtrails, but there's quite a few out today. I don't know if you can see them. And I'll keep my opinions for myself. Right, I'll ring you back in a bit. Steve's just pulled the seabed floor up again. I wasn't quick enough to get you on with it. But he's got an out on, not big. He said there was one on, but we don't know. Ah? So, well, it's been, something's been up. He's, what have you got on? Squid?
Yeah.
Could be little whiteys, probably crab. Probably the way he pulled it up. The hook will have been in the seabed and he'll have ripped half of it off. Anyway, see you in a bit. Right, I brought you back because as you know, I borrowed Scuba Ste another reel because he got a bird's nest.
Old reel.
Yeah, it's an old reel, but you've been fishing with it. And now he's
Can't find the end.
He snapped off. You can't find the end. I'm out the water.
You go in the water.
How many casts have we had now? Probably about 6 casts, and I haven't had a bite, so it looks like a blank. I'm definitely not going to catch a cod. There's a young lad with us, but I can't get him on camera because I haven't had permission. What's your name, buddy? Mason. He's called Mason. What a lovely chap he is. He's waiting for his mate. He's going to start doing a bit of fishing. And he was showing me some pictures of the fish that he was catching, freshwater one, like pike and perch and whatnot. I'll tell you what, I've told him to start a YouTube channel. Be better than mine. At least he's got fish on it. Right, I'm going to help Scuba Ste with this. I'm going to help him out. I don't know what he's going on with.
Can't find no ends for some reason, and it looks a bit melted on one of the things.
See what I mean? This is what you have to put up with. Bird's nested the old reel. I'll give him another reel. And now he's snapped off and he's knocked this up. Anyway, I'm glad the sun's shining. Oh, get my glasses on. Hey, how you doing? Right, so after sorting Scuba Steve out yet again, I've managed to bait up. I put a squid on, filled it with carp on my 6-0 hook. We're probably only going to be doing about another 40 minutes. So I haven't even had a bite at all. I did an hour down in that first mark at Seaton. We've been here now about an hour and 10. Not a single bite. Steve's moved up a little bit. He's up there getting prepared to cast out. See what other problems he's going to give me. I'm only joking. I hope he catches a fish. I hope I catch one. Still got little Mason with us. He's been asking quite a lot about the YouTube channel and getting a few tips, I hope, off me. Like I say, I can't get him on camera because he is only a young gentleman and I haven't got permission of his parents. So I'm just about to cast out now, and let's hope we get even a white eel do. Save the blank. Right, I'll see you in a bit, hopefully with a big fish. Oh, I've just had my first bite of all the session, so hopefully it might come back. Let's have a look. Leave it on the rod a little bit. I think Steve's snagged again. Are you snagged? No. I don't know what's going on with him. I told you in the last video with it when I was fishing with him. He's one of the most unluckiest people. But anyway, he is snagged, even though he said he wasn't. Look. You snagged, aren't you? God almighty. Huh? The what? Apparently the crabs took him into a rock. Well, it might have been, but I don't know. Anyway, I'll put you back on my rod a second. I was getting a little bite. It hasn't come back, whatever it was. Quite possibly a crab on mine. But I've still got that squid and carp on. It's only been in 10 minutes. Now what? What's up? Snapped. I'll tell you what, should we just call it a day? No, well, I'll just fish that one.
Last?
Yeah.
I think this is a better line on that one.
Yeah, maybe. Well, like I say, it was only just to help you out.
I've seen those strip down.
Why don't you take all that old line on? I didn't tell him like that. I've had the reel about 20 odd years and I've never changed the line. Anyway, it's up to him if he puts new line on and then he can use it. So my battery's running out on my phone, so I'm gonna call this last cast. If anything does get caught, I'll bring you back on that, but if not, you all enjoy your New Year. Don't get too drunk, stay safe, and thanks for watching the video.
Get smashed.
Just get smashed, ignore it. Right, you take care. I'll bring you back if I catch anything, but I'm down to 15% on my battery. And I'll see you later. Take care of yourselves. I was just about to pack up there. I was just saying to Ste, I'm just going to pull this one up. And as I was saying, I got quite a big knock. So, what was it? About 2 or 3 knocks, was it? 2 knocks. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for it to come back, because I know I did the outro, but I did say I'll bring you back if there was else happening. That's just the wind. Quite possibly crab, just having a peck at it, pulling it down. Anyway, I'm going to ask Ste if he'll just hold the phone while I'm going to reel it in anyway, because it's getting on a bit now. I'll pass it over to Stevie. I'm going to put it in. It hasn't come back, so unless it's on, I think I don't know. Nah. Probably just a crab. I'm just going to tell Ste I'm over here.
Short the scenery.
Oh yeah, I've already showed them. So we're going to get this in and head off home.
Oh,
I haven't had now to eat that all.
5% battery.
Huh?
5%.
5% battery, so
It's gone dull.
just quickly get it up, have a look at the date.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
There's-
better go on it.
that's it.
Right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.